I leave my thoughts in a glass jar, drifting slow through morning air. No map, no name, no place to go. Just light I didn't try to hold. The room forgets to hurry now. Everything feels made to last. I don't chase what I don't know. I let it come, I let it go. Something in the air goes slow, like it already wants to show. The weight I held without a sound is learning how to fall down. I feel it pull me out of still, like time is bending at my will. I'm going soft in the noise now, soft in the noise now. Let the world fall down, slow down. I don't need to chase it out. I'm going soft in the noise now, soft in the noise now. And the quiet pulls me closer, like it knows my name somehow. Soft now. Soft now. I walk inside my changing mind. Every thought falls out of line. Even silence starts to speak in a language soft and weak. The sky looks closer than before, like it forgot to be a door. I don't hold it, I don't try, I just let it pass me by. And I almost pull it back again, but it slips into the end. Something opens in my chest, like forgetting is a rest. It's rising now, I can feel something soft but something real.